In Benin, there exist 46 gazetted forests covering a total area of 1.4 million hectares.
They play a crucial role for the livelihood needs of millions of people living in and around the forest.
They are also central to Benin commitments to international environmental agreements, including the Rio Conventions. Yet, they continue to face various degradation and deforestation issues that stem mainly from the increasing stakeholder conflict over land and forest resources, as well as challenges to properly integrate and monitor tenure concerns of dependent communities in management decisions and conservation policies. Since 2020, TMG Research and APIC NGO have been working to explore opportunities to reconcile conservation policies and adjacent communities' legitimate right to land and forest resources.
The research focuses on the case study of the Three River gazetted forest, the largest of its kind, with over 259,000 hectares. Home to countless animal and endangered tree species, the Three River gazetted forest contribute directly to the livelihood of over 50,000 people spread in more than 48 villages and hamlets. A survey implemented on over 400 households living in and around the forest reveals that 82% of respondents, regardless of gender, depend on land and grazing resources to meet their livelihood needs.
The findings further highlight that over 85% of men and 90% of women living within the forest have no other plots of land outside the forest area, suggesting a critical dependency to the forest. The data also spotlight the fact that hard conservation measures and non-inclusive mechanisms will exacerbate the living conditions of communities and further undermine forest conservation efforts. The Participatory Forest Management Plan of the Three River Gazetted Forest, which is currently under revision, is a key opportunity to reconcile conservation priorities with adjacent communities' livelihood needs. It is an imperative need that decisions makers fully recognize and protect adjacent communities' legitimate right to land and forest resources and set processes that help them claim those rights. It may also be critical that current agricultural incentives and policies, mainly directed to commercial products such as cotton, soya, cashew nut, be tailored in a way to ensure forest-dependent communities are not marginalized and left behind.